Why automate bill tracking for families?
Managing household bills as a family can be overwhelming, especially when payments are shared. Automated bill tracking helps everyone stay informed, reduces missed payments, and streamlines communication. Using the right apps can simplify monthly budgeting, reminders, and payment records, letting families focus more on what matters.
Choosing the best budgeting app.
Top shared budgeting apps include Splitwise, Mint, and YNAB. Look for features such as bill reminders, shared expense tracking, and account syncing. Choose an app that allows multiple users and fits your family's habits and preferred devices. Many apps offer both free and premium versions, so select one that matches your needs.
Setting up automated bill reminders.
Start by entering your recurring bills into the app. For each bill, include due dates, payment amounts, and who's responsible. Enable notifications for upcoming bills so every family member gets reminders. Many apps allow integration with calendars or send push alerts, making it easier to never miss a payment deadline.
Organizing shared payments.
For shared expenses, assign each bill to relevant family members. Apps like Splitwise and YNAB track who owes what, split payments, and send notifications when contributions are due. Update payment statuses as bills are paid, so everyone can see progress and track balances transparently in real time.
Reviewing payment history and staying on track.
Regularly check your payment history and balance reports in the app. Most apps provide easy-to-read summaries of past payments, upcoming due dates, and outstanding balances between family members. Use these tools to catch issues early, celebrate on-time payments, and adjust your budget as family needs change.